Hello, my name is Lucilester Barrio Orozco. Presentation question mark. Hello, Cami. Hello, Lucy. Cami, you have visited Santa Marta, have you? Yes, many times. I was weather what sene. The cold weather is hot, very, very hot. You sat a lot of Venus, Cami? Yes, many fantasy animals. There are many bees there, and you? Too much, so funny. And you has a favorite beach than you? Yes, Lucy, of course, which beach is my favorite? That place is different from another one. You is easy? Total. Sing to me the beach. You read accompanied where are you? Yes, my parents. You eat a lot of fish, don't you? Yes, it is always delicious. You has a favorite experience, you? I seen many at that, but you will recommend the place when you come in? Yes, total. How many how many days stator? A stator for many. Where it be set for Tyrona Agriton or for Kai Aget? Thank you, Cami. Very, very good. Bye bye. See you later, Cami. Bye bye, Lucy.